You two know Jeopardy?
Yes.
You want to be part of Jeopardy?
Sure.
Cool. All right. Hey, you two. You want to be part of Jeopardy?
You got it,
Sure.
dude.
Alrighty. You know Jeopardy?
Yeah.
You want to be part of Jeopardy?
Sure.
Cool. Get your friend. We're going. Welcome to Trail End Trivia, where we're not trying to imitate anything in any other way. And now, let's introduce our contestants. Assisting me today with the questions is my lovely assistant, flown in from Russia, Hannah Veit. Now, let's see. What are your teams?
We are her twos.
All right, you.
We are tie-in.
Nice. All right. So our categories for the first round are wartime in Wyoming, miscellaneous, life of the Kendricks, people and associations, and spare time in Sheridan. Before the show, Tyann got to pick first, so let's see. What would you like to start with?
Kendrick Life 100.
All right. Name the 4 members of the Kendrick family. Carry on.
Eula, John B. Kendrick,
Manville and Rosamay.
Correct. What would you like next?
Spare Time 200.
Where was the tennis court at Kendrick Mansion? Let's go with high shoes.
The tennis court was by the carriage house, over by the carriage house.
Correct. When we come back, we'll announce our winners of the first round, and we'll begin our second trivia round. But first, a word from our sponsors.
Hey everybody, listen up. Does your watch wear you down? Is it a pain to turn over your wrist and check the time? Are you tired of your arms being an uneven weight? Just throw away your watch and get a sundial.
All you have to do is walk over to the sundial, see where the shadow is, and with no way to change the time since it's from the sun, there's no daylight savings, no batteries, and, of course, it's solar powered. Perfect for cloudy weather and dark nights. Bring your friends to show off your incredible purchase.
And welcome back. Thank you to our lovely sponsors for sponsoring this. In first place, we have Baryon. Second place, we have Tanyan. And third place, we have High Choose. But it's not over yet. There's still a second round to go. And now, let's begin our second trivia round. I forgot to mention the points, I'm sorry. For Baryon, we have 1,100 points. For Tyann, we have 900 points. And for High Choose, though in last place, you are not down and out yet, even though you have negative 800 points. You can still catch up in this double trivia round, where we have 800-point questions and 1,000-point questions to get you back in the game. Our categories are Ye Olde Technology, Building the Kendrick Mansion, Artifact Trivia, Effects that Kendricks had on the town, and Kendrick Cash.
Can we go first?
Yes, since you are in last place, you will go first.
Okay. We want Building the Kendrick Mansion 1000.
Alright, starting out big, I like that. Most of the furniture in the Kendrick Mansion was custom made. Which company made most of this furniture? Yes.
10 awning.
Incorrect.
Oh, wait, now we have. Is it?
Yes.
Wasn't it Burning and Gay?
Yes. Well, I'll give that to you, but it was Berkey and Gay.
Bird. Now we have 1 minus capacity.
Diana.
Ye Olde Technology with 200.
What is the labor-saving device next to the laundry chute? Judges. Barian.
The dumbwaiter?
Correct. Bless you.
So we lose.
That completes our second round. And now we go to a word from our sponsors.
The Kendrick Mansion is located in beautiful Sheridan, Wyoming.
Once home to former Senator John B. Kendrick and his family, it is now a beautiful home for all to enjoy. You can visit exciting rooms such as the dining room, the drawing room, and the ballroom.
Learn the vast history of the Kendricks and learn about their lives as you tour this wondrous home filled with facts, fun, and experiences.
Join us all for fun and excitement at the Kendrick Mansion.
And welcome back. Now for our point totals going into our final round. In first place, we have Barian with 4,900 points. In second place, we have Tyann with 3,500 points. And in last place, the High Chews at negative 1,000 points. To read our final question, we have the curator of the Trail End Museum, Sherry Prout.
Thank you. Okay. Everybody place their bets. How many points you'd like to risk? Okay. Now that you've risked your point total, here is your question. What item in the mansion cost as much as a 3-bedroom house did in 1911? I want to know the item and the room it's in.
That's the museum. Thanks, baby.
And time is up.
Is everybody ready?
Yes.
Okay. Let's start with Tyann. How many points did you wage?
3,000.
3,000. And what is your answer?
The foyer rug.
The foyer rug is incorrect. Marianne, what is your answer? Or how many points did you waive? 100 points. And
Rug in the drawing room.
is correct. And High Chews, how many points did you
6,000.
wager?
6,000.
And what's your answer?
We said one of the music players in the lawn.
Okay, so the correct answer is the rug in the drawing room. It cost over $3,000, which is how much you could pay for a house in 1911. 3-bedroom house with a bathroom and a garage. Alrighty. Do we have our point total?
Yes. Thank you, Sherry. Thank you. That was very much appreciated. For our final point totals, in last place, we have High Chews with negative 7,000 points. In second place, we have Tyann with 500 points. And finally, Barian, our winners with 5,000 points. Congratulations. This brings an end to Trail End Trivia. If you'd like to learn more, please visit the Trail End State Historic Site, where we'll be happy to direct and answer any questions that may come your way. Thank you, and have a lovely evening.